Welcome to the Daily Forkast, October 28th, 2021. I'm Angie Lau, Editor-in-Chief of Forecast News, covering all things blockchain. Well, boy band BTS are hitting the crypto headlines in Korea for the second day in a row, except this time they're being used as political fodder as the country argues over a new crypto tax. We're going to take a look at that and a whole lot more coming up. Let's get you up to speed from Asia to the world. First out, South Korea's crypto tax debate is heating up. I guess this is what happens when boy bands are involved. While the country's National Tax Service has already consulted with 28 exchanges on crypto gains tax law compliance, many are still against implementing it in January as planned. Forecast News' Danny Park reports on the latest from Korea's crypto front.
Get your crypto wallets hot or cold ready. That's what Koreans are preparing for. That's because South Korea is planning to tax 20% on any income from virtual assets over about $2,100 starting January 1st. Authorities are getting ready. The National Tax Service met with 28 exchanges to provide guidance on the new crypto tax law, as exchanges need to submit transaction data on virtual assets to the authorities for taxing. Lawmaker No of the ruling Democratic Party, who had previously proposed a delay of the crypto tax, criticized the tax law as the government's excessive administration. And on Wednesday, No said that fairness should be guaranteed in taxing, but the current virtual asset tax system has too many loopholes, again asking the tax to be levied a year later with better infrastructure in place. One of the loopholes he brought up involved the much-anticipated NFTs of the K-pop mega group BTS. No asserted that it is unfair to push forward tax on cryptocurrencies when NFTs, despite gaining such huge popularity, are exempt from the levy. And that's not the only thing being criticized in the tax policy.
거래소를 통한 가상자산은 과세를 할 수 있는데 이게 거래소를 통한 거래가 다가 아니잖아요. 그러니까 P2P 거래가 어찌 보면 더 메인인데 그 P2P 거래에 대해서 과세 못하면서 가상자산 거래소에 대해서 그 거래되는 가상자산을 과세하게 되면 제가 볼 땐 분명히 이 가상자산 거래소를 통한 거래가 축소될 거예요.
O says delaying the tax law 1 or 2 years won't do. Instead, the government should tax crypto when it's completely foolproof. For Forecast News, I'm Danny Park.
Meanwhile, yet another Bitcoin-focused ETF has gone live in this part of the world. Just 2 weeks after the Australian Securities Exchange approved a similar product, the Cosmos Global Digital Miners Access ETF has launched on rival exchange Chi-X. Using the Global Digital Miners Index, the fund tracks listed companies that source at least 80% of their revenue from digital asset mining and infrastructure. Mining for alpha, anyone? Forecast News' Lachlan Keller has more from Melbourne, Australia.
Created by Cosmos Asset Management and trading under the name DIGA, the fund will follow companies like Marathon Digital, Riot Blockchain, Hive Blockchain Technologies, and Hut 8 Mining Group. Cosmos told Forecast News they initially considered a Bitcoin spot ETF.
But as we sort of did our analysis and looked at the picks and shovels of companies involved, we saw an opportunity to bring investors DIGA, which is the Cosmos Global Digital Miners Access ETF, as a way to give investors exposures while we sort of work through the exchange and regulation challenges.
Anand says Chi-X was an attractive option as they opened to new ideas and innovative products, citing it helping to bring active ETFs to the Australian market as an example. For Forecast News, I'm Lachlan Keller from Melbourne, Australia.
And finally today, DeFi protocol Cream Finance has been hit with yet another hack. In what could be one of the biggest flash loan attacks in DeFi history, Cream Finance confirmed in a tweet that it had lost about $130 million worth of tokens. The DeFi platform subsequently said it had halted its V1 lending markets on Ethereum and is putting together a post-mortem review. Now, this is not the first time Cream Finance has been exploited. Back in February, hackers used DeFi protocol Alpha Finance to take out about $38 million, and in August, another hack eventually led to a loss of $35 million. In a postmortem after that attack, it said stolen crypto would be replaced so users wouldn't face liquidity issues. So today's homework assignment has to be check your code. And that's the Daily Forecast from our vantage point right here in Asia. For more, visit forecast.news. I'm Editor-in-Chief Angie Lau. Until the next time.